there. Over there. Go ahead. Straight, right there.
Where?
Here. Give me your phone. Okay. Remove your mask, my love. Remove your mask. Remove her mask. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Like that, my love. Oh, your crown. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile, guys. Smile. Okay. Huh? Hmm? Okay, let's go. Guys, ayan, nag-ano kami. Yan. Oh, this one. Nag-go, yeah.
Where is she? I'll let her watch that again.
Dad.
I'll let her watch.
Oh, go, anak, quick. What do you want?
You have what?
No,
We have rings.
So we can't pierce with outside earrings. We got to choose one of ours to get pierced with. Yes. And you have to leave them in for about 3 weeks, then you can change them. But if you want it,
Yeah. How about the heart? Look. The heart. Go check the heart. Yeah, that one. Pick it up.
Which one please do you like?
Ha? Pamili ang aking mahal na anak.
No, over here. Which one do you like? The small one?
The
no,
small
something. What's it? Green, star, flower? What do you like? You like these flowers?
I like rose.
What cross?
Rose sign.
I'm gonna get rid of this right now. But let's. You like the flowers?
How about this one small?
14K over here. What are these?
we have yellow gold too, if you like gold. Or
Which one do you
birthstones. Birthstones are popular.
Oh yeah.
Which one do you like?
It's this little
Are you
ball.
sure?
This one na lang, my love. October. Oh, pink.
October?
Mhm.
Okay. That one is 76.
76.
Then we have a bigger size. It's $5 more, $81.99. Stone.
Which one did she choose for October?
I choose October, but she like. Look at her, Dad.
Yeah. I guess we did this one first.
Huh?
I said we did
Maybe
this
it's better.
reverse.
We can
Right. Yeah,
try first. Yeah.
I mean, that's fine.
Go the heart. You like that? How about this heart? Oh, that one. What do you like? About the butterfly. How much is this, anak? How much is this? Uy, $15, anak. Pagkamahal, anak eh. Pagkamahal, mani-ani eh. This one, 12. This one na lang, it's better. Because this one is 12. This one is 12 and this one is 15. That one na lang. Go to tell your daddy. Kamahal. Dito kami. Ayan. Nagbili ang aking anak dyan, guys. Ayan. Heart is good. Okay? You like this one? How about this one? Look. What is this? Fashion. How much is this? Okay, ginawa ko $16. It's like your purse. This one is like your purse. Look at this. Look at this one. It's like your purse. This one is parang purse. Purse siya. Okay, nahulog. How about that? But this one is heart. Gusto ko siya. $15, gano'n. $15 this one. What do you like? Oh, heart. Okay, this one. Come on this way.
Hi, good, how are you?
Come on this way, my love. What is it, Marikiko? My love, where are you? Oh, come here. Come on, my love. Only one, my love. Bili kami ng... Oh, this one. Put it there. Ito yung aking anak naman. Ito, ang sa mani. Oh, hold this. That's yours. What? What's that? You have the cupcake already. And you're young, my love. Come on. Huh? Okay. Ayan, nabili kami. Yeah, this one, I like this one, guys. Yan. Yan yung price. What's the price? Oh, yeah. Ano na sa baba? $6.
What's that one?
No, this one is good.
I love it.
Huh? This one is good, my love. Umilig iya eh. I like this one. I like this one. Okay. Oh, come on, let's go. No, we're not going to buy that. Come this way, my love. Excuse me, sorry. Ah.
You know what you're doing? Okay, get your ring. Huh? Like you're ready to do.
Are you okay, my love? I'm the one who is nervous. I'm nervous. She's cool. Yeah.
Look at her. She's ready.
Yeah. She's ready. I'm not ready, Anak. Oh my god. My heart beats like... Look at her, like she's fine. I'm the one who get nervous, my god. Woo. Mga asawa na sun. Nanonood lang siya.
Sit on top of her.
Hold her hand. Hold her, Marikiko.
All right.
Big deep breath for me.
We're gonna give her a little pinch, right?
Ah.
Look at her. She don't even move.
Are you okay, Nak?
See, I'm so like my daddy. I'm tough.
Are you okay, my love? Oh my god, she's almost there.
One more.
One more, Nak?
Look at
Hold her hand, Dad.
Harden it up again. Take a deep breath for me. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, look at the beautiful girl. All right.
Are you okay, my love?
Look at her. You want to see the mirror?
Look at her.
Look at her.
Wow! You okay, my love? Are you okay?
Well, that's price of beauty, right?
Say thank you.
Look at her. Dean Blake.
Make sure you clean her ears 3 times a day.
3 times a day?
Yep.
For 1 week?
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yep.
Okay.
Just like that.
Yep. Just take this cotton ball, take this, and just put it on her fronts and backs.
Look at her.
Big girls don't cry. All right, come on.
Okay, hindi. Say thank you.
Okay, go look in the mirror now. See, you're a big girl now. Thanks.
So how's my love? What is this? What is this? Wings. That's wings, my love. Look, open. Wings. Angel. Guys, wings. You okay, my love? Is it hurt? No? Are you sure? Let me see my beautiful. Oh, look at this. A lot of earrings. A lot of ring. Oh, look. Nadala na lang dito. Look, oh. You want ring? So here. Oh, tell your daddy. What's this? Ang pabilhin ako na aking mahal na asawa, sabi ko, di na. Hindi ako bibili ng akin. Okay na ako. Yung anak ko may earrings na. Daddy say no? Where did you get this? Here? Where did you get this?
Already, so
No, what's poopy?
what's that?
Huh?
What's that?
Go, the lollipop.
Oh, yeah.
That's poopy.
Huh?
Dito bilhan maganda ang crown. Balik kami dito for the crown. Next time.
I don't know how you. I forgot her YouTube. I forgot her YouTube channel.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to upload this in YouTube.
I forgot.
Okay, just say hi. What's your name?
My name is Kari.
Kari.
I'm
Jenny.
Casey.
Hello. Thank you.
And we're at the mall.
Yeah.
We at the mall. Even.
Yeah, her name is Daltea. Daltea. Right?
Yeah.
She's shy too, and that's why she's like that. She's shy.
She's my friend.
Oh, now you're friends?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
And Kari's really funny.
Mm-hmm. Say, talk to them, my love. Daltea? Talk to them. Talk to them.
And we are doing a YouTube channel at the mall.
Mm.
Papa, my cousin and my sister.
Thank you.
And top cousin.
Thank you. Ayan yung nanay nila. Okay. So, bye-bye. Thank you very much.
And I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one. Okay. Oh my God, nanonood na sila sa video ng aking mahal na anak. Ayan. Na-shock ako kasi pagdating, nakatingin sila agad yung mga bata. Yung mga bata ang nakapansin sa kanya. Yan. Kaya nasabi ko, pwede daw gawa kami ng video together daw nila. O, di dad. Where's your dad? Oh, may... So, tuwang-tuwa sila. Nakuhaan ng video. Natuwang pa sila nakuha ng video kasama ang aking mahal na anak. Kasi nanonood daw sila sa channel niya. Nakakatuwa. They're watching your YouTube channel, my love. Oh, yeah, baby. Where's your daddy? Right there. There. Sumunod sa amin. Dito tayo sa mga damit. Kasi iniwan kami na mahal na asawa kasi gusto magawa ng video. Nandun sila sa labas.
Are you okay now?
You know what she said? That's why they're panicking because we saw her in her YouTube channel. I saw her. Is it? I'm sorry.
Oh, I heard one of them was saying go tell
I
her.
say about and then she's watching her video.
Well, you know what you should have done?
Mm.
You just let them all the pictures together and put it on there so they could see her until they're.
Oh, you know, that's why I asked her. And so, she's making a video, right? She said, oh, because I did not turn on my camera. She said,
Have you spoken to the mother?
I asked her and she talked to her mother if it's okay that we're going to make a video. And she's so excited, she's happy, and her mother said, okay.
So I guess you did, right?
Hmm?
You did you?
Yeah, but they said, don't be shy because they're shy. But your anak, she's shy. Puno lang kami ng jewelry dito kasi habang asawa ko ay nakapila. Tingnan natin ang presyo. Oh, this one. And plus, meron siyang mga choices everyday. Ito, 28. So, magpuno eh. Are you okay, my love, or my wife? Sitting here. She have lollipop. I love you. Ano siya sa kanyang earrings. Ang ganda naman ng anak ni mama. Hindi siya umiyak. Birthday niya kasi sunod na araw, guys. So, bilhan na lang namin kahit papano. Kamahalers ba, oy? Tama. Diklik same. Where anak? This one, fresh tea, fruit, milk tea. What do you like, my love?
Huh? Strawberry? Are you sure?
We have samples here. Ito yung fruit teas. Meron sila.
Hi, princess.
Large.
What do you want? Tell me. Strawberry?
Coffee, food.
Something with coffee jelly. Like chili jelly that comes with the drinks. You can tell me what she likes. I can just put it.
Oh, she wants strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah, but I want something. Do you have
Yeah,
regular coffee with caffeine in it?
yeah, it's not just strong. It's not a regular Starbucks. You have a strong coffee.
But do you have something with caffeine in it?
You want strawberry?
I need something with it.
Huh?
That's what I meant.
I can make you a strawberry.
I So strawberry, what would you like, Leah? Avocado?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I don't need anything. Just only your anak.
Huh?
Only for anak na I don't need anything. I'm good.
Strawberry smoothie.
Look, the regular is $5 and large is $5.70. The regular is $5.
Yeah, it's $5.50 for the smoothie, and if you add toppings, it's 50 cents extra.
Oh, I see. So that's
Whipped cream
regular.
in yours? No whipped cream?
So we don't do whipped cream.
Alright.
We do the toppings like the little bubbles that you have.
That's fine.
Okay, which ones should I do for her? Strawberry? Strawberry bubbles?
The strawberry
Well,
bubbles?
that's regular. That's good. That's,
The black ones?
so what's that?
Have you
What's
tried
that?
it before?
No,
I
man.
would suggest do a strawberry popping powder for her because they're sweet and they have the strawberry flavor in them.
Okay.
She likes them.
Alright, that's
Okay.
good.
And how about you?
That's one.
You can do a nice coffee, or do you want like
Blended, like smoothie.
Okay, nakain lang ng kain ng lollipop niya. Your lollipop, anak? Huh? Are you happy? Excuse me. Let me. Your crown. Your crown. Let me see again. Let me see your. Okay, good. Oh. Uy, look at your puppet. Your. Come on this way. Oh. Map. Come on this way. Let's go to your dad. I'm not going to wear mask. She's not going to wear. She's not wearing mask.
You sure you don't want to go?
Whoops, bubble tea. I think that's what she said. It's a bubble tea.
So you say you post that girl, you took a picture, right?
A video.
Right, good. So this way when I see and they'll encourage more of their friends to watch.
Yeah.
That was nice though.
Yeah. Remember when we went to what is this hardware
guy said,
Home Depot?
Yeah, the guy.
Yeah. See, because he's watching also.
That was nice. That little girl to meet her though.
Yeah, the reason because most of her viewers is foreigner. I mean English.
So you know they're gonna be looking for that video, right?
Yeah, they are. They're going to watch the video.
I heard to tell her, but I didn't know what.
Yeah, that's why they're so excited. I thought they're watching her because of her hair. And she said her hair is so curly. Is it because of her daddy? Ayan na. See, I told you. Go ahead, my love.
This one. This one.
Ayan na ang kanyang order. Woohoo! Zip it. Zip it. Careful, careful. Give me wipes, wipes this. Hold it, my love, hold it. Hold. Okay, wipe it. Okay, give me.
Oh, no, no, bag.
How's the taste, my love? Do you like it? Yeah. Zip it. Zip. Yummy? Huh? Look at her face. Yummy? What is it? You don't like it? Give me a second. Yummy, right?
2 regular 60, we got 45, place 5.
Sa aking mag-ama.
Oh,
Ha?
I gotta go button on.
We're going to buy food for Biga also. Diba? What is it, my love? Are you okay? She's watching me. Nag-worry pa. Dito tayo sa pagkainan. Food court. Food court, guys. We're here in food court. Mga pagkain dito. Sa I want. You know what I like? Ayan guys, nandito kami sa food court. Ito ang nabili ng aking mga nasawa sa kanya. Yan, surprise yan. And habang nag-aantay kami, are you okay? Are you happy? Really? Yes, mommy dear. Ang bait naman ng aming anak. No, we're not surprised.
You get food already?
No, you need to pay.
Huh?
You need to pay.
Oh.
Later, my love. So, yung binigyan kami nito, kasama na sa binayad namin sa kanyang pagtusok sa kanyang tenga at saka sa hikaw, honestly. So, nakadoble kami bumili ng hikaw. So, ito, 3 times a day daw namin punasan yung kanyang, yan, ito, 3 times a day. For your ears, to clean your ears. To clean your earrings. So, 3 weeks namin gawin. No, you can't open this one. We're going to open this later, okay? So, yan ang nabili namin. And ito yan, no? Instruction. That's for Daddy. You wanna taste it? You wanna try it? You like it? Oh, wait lang. That's okay. You don't like it? Agoy. Don't force yourself if you don't like it, okay? Do you hear me? You hear me? Don't force, okay? No, this one is sweet. Good. Hello, isa mong gamay. So, ayan, ang nabili namin, ano pa, and syempre, na, this one, nabili namin, $6.99. Yeah. Second. Okay. Yeah, you can pop it. No, you can. What's say? BFF. BFF. Lima. Lima. So, lima.
Maybe there.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, like that. Yes.
Oh, 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 oh.
Ooh. How beautiful.
Mhm. This one first. This one the top. One more like. And then tap it, tap it. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. More, more.
We're not gonna eat. We're gonna leave, right?
Yeah. This is the Come on, ready na? Wait lang. Come on. Just sit down for a second. Sit down for a second.
Drink that.
Your Anna's order, she don't like that.
No.
She don't like. Did you taste this one? She don't like the one when you pop
I know.
the.
Tastes alright, but I don't feel like chewing.
Yeah. Come on, anak. Let's go. Let's go now. Put them inside. You can continue later. Okay?
Mommy.
Come on.
Trying to avoid drinking that.
Huh?
It's okay, but I don't feel like chewing.
This one is cheaper than we buy her. What is this called? The $10. The $10 small. This one is 15.
It's 15
$15.
for the whole set.
This one whole. $15.
That's $15.
This one $15.
The whole set.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, that's better.
Yeah, but remember the small one? $10. So, tapos na kami dito. Ayan, uuwi na kami. Pupunta kami ng shop. Sunday today. Pupunta kami ng shop kasi nagtatrabaho yung aming trabaho. Pero may binili kaming food para sa kanya. Hindi lang para sa amin. So, sabay-sabay kami kakain. Brunch. We're going to eat brunch. Brunch. So, diba? Bumili kami ng pagkain din lang para sa amin. Pati dito kami trabaho. Kasi nito nagtrabaho. Come on, let's go, my love of my life. What's that? We go that way. Okay, sisang gamay. Ha?
Oh, boss man. Can I show you some of your shoes real quick? Good? Yeah, no problem. Have a good day, man.
She's worried good siya. Worried good siya. You see the sign, look. Yeah, anak ko nakita niya. Oh, what's wrong? Okay, give me a second. Huh? Salamat. She's here. Hold your daddy's hand, my love. Go to your chair, my love of my life. What's that? Your French nuggets? Go to your chair, dali. Go to your chair, please.
8 nuggets? 8. 8, Mom.
You're hungry?
8. 8. Yeah, and that have fish. And again, no walk.
Okay. Okay guys, yun lang ang aming video for today. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawa pagsuporta ng aming channel. Mag-ingat ho kayo. Mag-ingat ho tayong palagi. I love you all. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, my love.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Okay guys, bye.